Calling on WhatsApp is a convenient way to connect with others using your internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. To make a call, first ensure that WhatsApp is installed and set up on your phone. Open the app and navigate to the chat of the person you wish to call. If you haven't started a conversation with them yet, you can search for their contact by tapping the Chats tab and using the search bar to find them by name. Once you have the chat open, look for the phone icon at the top of the screen. This icon represents a voice call. Tapping it will initiate a call to that person. If you want to make a video call instead, you can tap the camera icon located next to the phone icon. This will start a video call, allowing you to see the person in real time. If the person you are calling is available, the call will go through, and you'll be able to talk or video chat. If they are unavailable or don't answer, you can leave a missed call notification in the chat. WhatsApp calls are free, but keep in mind that they require an internet connection. I love this app so much, do you?